everyone, and welcome to Activity Time. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to use our two new Solfa steps, So and La, to learn a new song. Let's learn it line by line. We'll do the words first, then learn the Solfa notes, and finally put the words and the Solfa notes together. And watch out, because some of it will be loud and some of it will be quiet. Here we go. I'll go first and you repeat after me. Let's start off loud. Apple tree, apple tree.
Apple tree, apple
Well
tree.
done. Will your apples fall on me?
Will your apples fall on me?
I won't cry, I won't shout.
I won't cry, I won't shout.
If your apples knock me out.
If your apples knock me out.
Ouch! Gotta watch out for those apples. Good job, everyone. Now let's learn the Solfa notes. And let's sing loudly. Here we go. So, me, so, me.
So me, so
And
me.
quietly. So, la, so, me.
So la la, so
Well done, loud. So, me, so, me.
So me, so
Well done, and quietly.
me.
So, la, so, me.
So la la, so me.
Great job, guys! This time, let's sing the words and do the Solfa hand signals at the same time. I'll go first, and then you try. Here we go. And let's start off quietly. Apple tree, apple tree.
Apple tree, apple
And again.
tree.
Apple tree, apple tree.
Apple tree, apple
And loudly. Will your apples fall on me?
Will your apples fall
Good.
on me?
Will your apples fall on me?
Will your apples
And then quietly again.
fall
I won't cry, I won't shout.
I won't cry, I won't shout.
I won't cry, I won't shout.
I won't cry, I
Well
won't
done.
shout.
If your apples knock me out.
If your apples knock
Well done, and
me
quietly.
out.
If your apples knock me out.
If your apples knock me out.
Not again. Well done, everyone. Now let's go all the way from the beginning to the end. Here we go. Sing with me and starting loud. 3, 4. Apple tree, will your apples fall on me? Quietly.
I won't cry, I won't shout. If your apples knock me out.
Great job, everyone. Let's do that one more time. Sing with me, and we'll go all the way to the end. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Apple tree, will your apples fall on me? Quietly.
I won't cry, I won't shout. If your apples knock me out.
Whoa! I caught it this time! Well done, everybody! You did a fantastic job. Awesome work. And now you've earned yourself another gold star! Well done! Give yourselves a pat on the back. Teacher, give yourself a pat on the back. Now be sure to work on the worksheet for this lesson. And why don't you see if you can write your own songs using our Solfa hand signals? It's so much fun. Keep up the great work, everyone. You're doing super. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! We're here at the Irish Institute of Music and Song campus in Balbriggan, County Dublin. Groups visit us from all over Ireland and the world to take part in our music programs. If you like what we do, you can find out more information at our website down below.